Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Surfers. So this is my first video about the Indian stock markets, and this is the one for the sample of Nifty and Bank Nifty according to that Elliott wave theory. So I'm using from the past 2014, and I'm in the stock market of the forex market and commodity from the 2014 itself, and I'm doing it as an partial of part-time job, and then I quit my job of 2016, and up to 2018 I studied only that stock market, about that forex market, and then from the 2018 I'm doing that forex, and I'm a fund manager. So now a lot of requests coming from the Indian followers to make a video and to give a trade plans about the Indian stocks. So for that I started a Telegram channel from the past 1 month before, and it's going good. So a lot of responses is there. So I just for the curiosity, and I did made a YouTube, and I am already doing on Saturday, every Saturday I'm uploading about that forex and commodity markets, Bitcoin, US 30, like that, in the name of forex surfers. So this is for the stocks, so I did as a stock surfers. So in this video we going to analyze the only Nifty and Bank Nifty, and the rest of them all I will upload my watch list, and I will show you in intermediate about that watch list. So before we get into this week analysis for that August 31st to 4th, so before that, this is my disclaimer. This channel was started for an educational purpose only, not for financial investment, and I am teaching how to analyze the stock market and how I am trading them according to my personal view with Elliott wave theory. So this view may change for each Elliottician trader, not the same view as mine. You can learn Elliott waves, and even I can also learn more from the experienced trader through the comments in my post about Elliott waves. I keep learning the market every day. I won't trade according to the fundamental and sentimental. I will trading and trade it with 100% technical only, what I learned from the books, video clips, and some personal experiences. So this channel is fully based on Elliott waves and technicals only. My ambition is to create an awareness to the traders who losing still and lost money because they are treating this business like a gambling. I am not asking any investments, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I am not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So this is Nifty, and I will show you my Nifty positional trade setup first and view. So this is, and I'm in the trading view. You can follow me in the trading view also, as well as in Facebook and my Telegram channel also. So I will update everything, but this is all for only for that learning purposes only, not for investment or not for trading in options and futures like that. I'm just explaining how I'm trading with the Elliott wave theory. So mind that, and I'm not responsible for any losses. So this is my Nifty monthly and weekly view. So according to this is A is a 5A, it's a leading diagonal, and B is an irregular flat as a running flat, and then again here is A is ended. So again 5A's. So this is A, B, C is a is a flat correction pattern. I'm not took this as an impulsive. It's everything, it's in 3-way structure. So I took it as an correction type of, but this is in bullish mode. But this is in all 3 waves. So this is A and B, after that C completed. So once this A, B, C once completed, this we marked as a W for the connecting of the further continuation of the trend. So this triangle is an X as a 5-wave structure of 3. It's called as a triangle. It's A, B, C, D, E. So once followed by the W, X, we need to trade for the Y. So Y is contains of 3-wave structure. It's called as A, B, C. In that also A, B, and C finished in that 5-wave structure. So this is my positional view. So after that I expected, and I told that here and informed in my Facebook page also. The before I think February of 2020, the starting of this year, Nifty has to drop nearly. I am expecting the 6,500 of the 50% retracement from here, from the top. And immediately after that, March 10th and 9th and the March first week itself, it start to drop, and severely. This is a massive drop. So for my friends and relatives or everybody, close that mutual fund, everything, and they made a good profit, and again they buy back from here. But I expected at 6,500, but it didn't came. But the drop is huge, and it looks like a C wave. Only the C wave will very fast and aggressive movement. So I will explain in that in the live chart. So once we move on to the weekly, so this is the top. This is a 3-way structure. It's A, B, and C. So for me, I took it as a 3-way structure, means it may be a continuer to the next, because this view from the bottom of 7,500, it's look like a bullish only. It's not looking like right off now. It's a B, C is going on. But after that, if it is still bullish, this A is also converted into 1, 2, so 3, 4, and 5. So it has to breach this 12,400, the previous high, and made a one more 5-way structure here. So that could be an A, and B has to drop, and then C again to the higher side. So that we will see later. So as of now, this is my trade plan for positional and the weekly. Just I will show you one more time. So this is an X wave finished, but right now what I am expecting here is, if it is the end of the 3rd wave, this could be converted into a bigger triangle also, because X and B, in that wave structure only the triangle can happen. So here I am expecting whether this is converted into 3-way structure or 5-way structure, that we will see later onwards. But right now that 5th way has to end at nearly 12,200 I am expecting. So after that, whether we have to watch the wave formation, and then only I will inform you later, so that this will become a bullish, or it could be a bigger triangle. Because if it is an X wave, this is not end, because it won't end immediately of the X wave. Sometimes it may or may not. But if it is a 3-way structure, there is a chances for making a triangle in the X wave. Or if it is an irregular flat also, it can happen. So that we will see later onwards. Right now the 3-way structure is completed and we are in the bullish. So once the bullish is confirmation after the 5-way structure only. Before that, there is a lot of chances for making a consolidation here, and then it can drop also. But it did a 5-way structure. So after that also I'm expecting again 3-way structure, and then because this is a 5-way structure, means again 3-way structure, and it could happen another 5-way structure. So this pattern is called as a zigzag. So I am expected that. So from here onwards itself, A, B, and C, once the 5-way structure is completed, I thought from here itself it can come down to the deeper correction, or it could be in continuation of a consolidation complex correction like that, and then it can drop also. But once it break this zone, it's already broken that, then I confirmed this is going to be something, it's a bullish only. So let's keep on moving, because I'm just keep on watching only in previous from the past 45 to again around 2 months only. I just keep on watching, and then I'm doing trades in that with a cash segment only. It's not in futures and not in options. I'm a technical trader, and this is a new for me either to watch the stock market. So let's see in the 1 hour chart. I will show you how I counted this. This is called as a leading diagonal of wave 1 or A. I'm not finalized it because this can be again A, B, C means if it after the completion of here that C wave, it can drop also in the three-way structure. So then it will become A, B, C. After that, here also three-way structure, and here also three-way structure. Only in the flat correction, it will go up to 90% of the retracement for the previous swing. So only in the flat correction it can happen. So either I'm expecting a three-way structure up to 12,200. So for the intermediate way count, so this is an optional only, whether this could be changing to 1 also later words. Now currently I'm saying this A, B and C. This is an diagonal triangle pattern. This is the ending diagonal triangle. Each way got the 1 got ABC, and the 2 got also ABC, and the 3 is an extended third wave. So for that we have to mention as A, B, C. So this three way is also an W, and then connecting wave X. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as A, B and C. So everything got a three-way structure here. So this whole thing become a third wave, end of the third wave, and here the fourth wave is a running flat. In past I expected as in a triangle, but that got invalid. After that I'm expected another way to the drop to the here also, that is as a chances, because this is an ABC. A is a five-way structure here, and what I thought is this could be a A, so again B, C. So from here in the past 24th I'm expecting like this also, and I expected either three-way structure or it's a diagonal structure or little bit of deeper a correction to retest this channel. Otherwise it could be a triangle also. So that I already show you that. One second. Yeah, from here. So I looked for that first of all triangle, because this is a fourth wave. There is a chances for making a triangle, or this could be an irregular flat also. So if it is a irregular flat, it can again shoot for the fifth wave. So this is on 23rd, and then again 24th this got an invalid. Here the triangle got invalid. Again it broke that high. So again what I expected is this could be A, B, C. There is a drop for this is that is what I questioned here. The fourth wave is either it's completed here, or it could be convert. This is the end of the fifth wave, because it's A, B, C is no. It's the A, B, C is the fifth wave. It may completed, and I'm expecting either this 1, 2, 3 here and a fourth. After that, and that is also my view changed, because that trend line not broken. Only if the trend line broken only there is a chances for bigger and deeper correction. So it's not yet broken here, and again the invalidation point moved from here to here. So this is on 26th I updated that, and previous is for 24th, and after that here from I'm expecting that higher nearly to the 12,000, but here I am expecting the 11,700 zone. So this is my latest update on 28th. So still we are going same. So this was my Nifty trade plan, and I'm doing as per this, but I won't trade in Nifty indices. I'm just only the individual stocks. So what are the individual stocks I'm trading? I will show you that watch list. Tomorrow we can analyze all those pairs, and I'm in Grasim, in Tata Motors, Sun TV, and I did an JSW, the intraday trade, because I'm in the I entered only in that of midway, so that is why I'm not invested in that. And DCB I got, and Axis and ICICI, it's all everything in the intraday. And SBI I already took the at 190 and still having the position in that. And Lupin and Sharma only for the analysis, still not, there is no chances for me to enter in this pair. So these are the watch list. We can analyze tomorrow. So now we move to Bank Nifty. So here is a Bank Nifty. So what I'm thinking now is, so I didn't done a positional, just for an example I did, but I'm not so confirmed that I need to recheck, because I told you, right, I'm new to this Indian stock market, just I'm fresher about Indian market. So I'm still watching in the past 5 to 6 months, only watching, because for my friends and relatives asking about the Nifty. So only I do analysis only in the Nifty, not in Bank Nifty. So I just did, but I'm not so confident about this, so I no need to show you about that. But we will see here as in a short term for this week what I'm expecting. So from this low, this is also Nifty did a 5-way structure, and here it making A. So A, B, C, A, B, C, B, and C is in a wedge formation. So this is an expanded flat, we called it as, because it broke the A high, and then again the start of the A here in the intermediate. So this is called as an expanded flat. So A, B, and C got a 5-way structure in the wedge formation. So there will be a overlapping here. So that is the wedge formation and the C wave. So once this A, B, C, A got over, we can label it as an W also, because lot of people confused with the WXY pattern. So I no need to explain now here, so that we will go to a deeper for the educational purposes. In that, if I have a time, I can do that also, but right now no. So this A, B, C, so this is a W for the connecting wave of X. So if this is a connecting wave, means we are in that still for the continuation trend. So here that X is a triangle, X or B. So this is A, B, C, D, and E. So here is a triangle. Triangle can happen only in X or B way, or in the impulsive fourth wave. So A, B, C is over, it's W, X, and we are in that A wave, or if we place it as A, B, so C wave is remaining. So C wave is also the bullish, and Y wave is also a bullish. So for that, if it is a Y wave, the Y wave contains of A, B, C. So A contains of 5 waves, B contains of 3 waves, and C contains of 5 waves. So you have to at least you need to learn the basic stuff of Elliott waves. Then only you can understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm expecting still bullish only here. So maybe this is an intermediate. I will show you in that 1 hour chart. This is an W or X. So A contains of 5 waves. 5 waves, this is a wave 1 completed, and wave 2 is also completed, and we are on the third wave. So third wave, I think according to that Fib extension zone, if we keep it for 8, so for the wave 1 and wave 2 rejection, and this is either it has to be in 1.618, or it could be an extended for the 2.618. So right now exactly we are getting rejected from here, but Monday and Tuesday we will come to know whether there will be a little bit correction here. So I think this whole week may be a correction, because for the fourth wave, or it could be completed in the 2 days or 3 days itself. So one small correction. So correction can happen if it get rejected. What I'm trying to say is, if it get, according to the Fib extension, 2618 is a getting rejection zone, or 1618. So 1618 we didn't get rejected. So next still I'm expecting it here. That is why I have marked as a correction for the fourth wave. So according to that fourth wave, we may get rejection. Once again, I will remove this. From second wave to the approximately here means 23.6, because it is get extended. So 38.2 may or may not, but 23.6 is a good zone to accumulate here. And I'm not trading the indices, so according to this I will buy back if it get the pullback in Axis Bank, ICICI, and a DCB or BL like that, SBI, so I can accumulate more in that correction. So here if it comes to that again approximately it's a 24, now it's a 24,600, so 600 points to the downside in three-way structure, or it could be a little bit I think it won't make a triangle here, maybe a regular flat accepted, or it could be a regular flat. So after that we need to complete that fifth wave. So maybe 25,400 I think expected, so 25,500 or 25. I just written the market commentary also here. You just read carefully to learn more thing. So it's not for trading purposes, and again I'm explaining that only. This trade plans or how I am using the Elliott waves for the making consistent profit. So just took it as a reference for your strategy. Don't trade blindly like this kind of drawing lines. So I'm just to draw only for that correction marks, and this is impulsive marks, but this may vary. It's just only three structure I'm expecting, means it could be like this also. It's a triangle also, the correction structure, and this is also a irregular flat is also a correction structure. So either just for that to identification for the correction I am expecting, that is what the three way I am drawing. So it's all for approximate levels. So I am expecting 25,200 to 25,500 to end of that wave 1 or wave A. So after that the three way pullback, and if you make it as an A, B, C, W, X, because in the shorter time we can trade like that only, but if you view in the daily or a weekly chart, it's just looking like a five-way structure. So 1, 2 is an expanded flat, 3 in the wedge formation, so 4 is a triangle, and 5th beyond the 5th wave. So simply 1, 2, 3, 4 is a triangle, 5th wave. So this is a leading diagonal in the higher time frame, and if you are watching in the weekly time frame also, it's look the same. So if you want to trade only the intraday, or you need to accumulate that stocks, you need to switch to the 1 hour chart, and you need to get ready everything. So then only you can accumulate. So this A, B, C, W, X, A, B, C becomes in the daily or in weekly just simple 1, 2, 3, 4. We can't find there it's a WX. Just we will see only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that only wave. So that is why people's or the lot of institutions, lot of big players use only this kind of charts only. Positional traders. So I'm a swing trader as well as a positional trader in forex as well as commodities, and anything I will play only for that swing and positional only. So only if I didn't get any trade setups, I will do intraday, but within that 1 or 2 days I will close my positions. I won't keep this for the long, and I won't convert to that swing and positional whether I took it for intraday. Mind that intraday is different mind strategy and technical strategy, and for the swing and for the positional is entirely different. So mind that, and you decide what you need to be, a swing trader or positional trader or an intraday player. According to that you have to fix your time frames, and then only you have to analyze everything. So I think you can understand my strategy, and I keep on posting in my TradingView account also, and Facebook pages, as well as in Telegram channel. So I think I can finish now. I can explain everything here for the Nifty and Bank Nifty for the coming week. So this could change for 1, 2, and again 3, 4, 5 as A, B, C is A, B, and C if it is a C. Or whether this is a 5-way structure ended, means we will get a deeper correction also here. So this is for only for the rough diagram I just drawn here. But after once it's completed, we need to watch the wave formation, because in higher time frames it's looking like a leading diagonal. This is also a 5-way structure, and this is also a 5-way structure, and this is also a 5-way structure. So this 5-way structure will, once again I will show you that here, this piece is, we can make it as a 3-way structure or 5-way structure also here. So either this is a triangle, or it could be an irregular flat also here. I think, one second, yeah, it could be a irregular flat also, and then this continue as an 5th way here. So mind that, don't stick to your wave count and don't stick to my wave count. Took it as per your strategy and make it this chart, and it will help you for take it as a references, not to trade. So thanks for watching, and we will catch you on the tomorrow in a detailed stock analysis. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.